Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lodge Cast Iron Kickoff Grill. This was a gift that I received a few weeks ago and it has been storming every evening, so I haven't had a chance to try this grill out. Since there is no chance of storms this evening, I'm going to give it a try. I have been going back and forth between getting this grill, the Sportsman's Grill, or a Weber. Since this was given to me, I'm going to go with the Kickoff Grill. So here are some reasons why I wasn't sure about the Kickoff Grill. First of all, cast iron is heavy. I have not seen a woman review this grill yet. Most women are not physically as strong as men, so I was searching for videos to get a woman's point of view on this grill, and I've never found one. I have MS, and there are times when my hands hurt and they're completely numb, and I don't have the strength in them that I once did. And I was concerned that the Kickoff Grill would be too heavy to pick up. You must remove the top, put the charcoals on, and then get the top back on, so I was worried that might be an issue for me. And as you can see, it's packaged in a box with a lot of details about the grill written on the box. This was made in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, which is about 30 miles from here. This grill is 12 inches in diameter, so a skillet would fit perfectly on it. So you can actually do more than just grill. This grill is the perfect size for two people, and cast iron lasts forever, so that is another plus to this grill. I've never used a charcoal grill before. I've always cooked on gas, but those grills don't last. You have to replace them every few years, but like it says in the box, keep me in the family and out of the landfill. Let's pull it out of the box. There's an instruction pamphlet. The two handles. So this is the base where the charcoal goes. This is the top. And the handles go on like this, and I can pick it up and turn it to control the draft. Basically, it has air holes to control the heat. You want to open it all the way for maximum heat, and if you want to reduce the heat, you can close them off some. And it really isn't as heavy as I thought it would be, at least not the top. When you hold the whole thing all together, it's heavy, but just the top is not as heavy as I thought it would be. Although I think the handles are going to take a little getting used to. My next problem was I had nowhere to set it up outside. We really don't have a patio at this house. I have some pavers down with some chairs on it and an umbrella, but that's not big enough for anything else. And I don't want to do it in the driveway because it's super hot on that end of the house in the evening time. So we have a lot of stuff in the garage, so I started looking for ways to make something to put this grill on where I wouldn't have to bend over too much. I have a fold-out table, but it's plastic, so it wouldn't work with this hot cast iron grill. I found some cinder blocks, and I decided I would use those to make something to put the grill on. Well, then I saw this old metal storage shelf in the garage that's not being used, so I took one of the shelves off of that. So there you have it, a quick and easy grill table. If it works out for me, I will figure out where I want to put it permanently and maybe paint it to make it look better. Okay, so let's get to grilling. So I was also gifted this chimney starter. Y'all, I am completely clueless with all of this. I will learn as I go. Try not to laugh too much. First of all, I have the wrong charcoal. I wanted the smaller charcoal, and this is hardwood charcoal. I looked it up, and apparently this kind of charcoal does burn hotter, and also the hardwood charcoal that's not completely burned, you can use it again the next time you grill. My issue is the shape and how well it will fit in the small grill. Next, I read to put paper in the bottom of the chimney and then the charcoal on top. Then light the paper in the bottom of the chimney and leave it until the coals heat up. Now I've waited 5 minutes and it didn't seem to be heating up, so I had to reach out to someone for some advice. Mr. Cast Iron informed me that he puts bacon grease on the paper, so I will do that next time. It took about 15 minutes for it to start burning good. Okay, so we're going to pour this onto the base of the grill. And see, it's not as much charcoal as I thought it was. See, it was almost full, but it's because it's the way it's shaped. You can't tell how much you've actually got in there. So this is not very much charcoal at all. I hope it's enough to do my burgers and hot dogs. I may need to add more. Okay, this top is not too heavy when using these handles. It actually is easy to lift. And then at this point, I realized I didn't oil my grill after I washed it. So I had to call Steve to bring down some oil. And I'm going to have to open the draft up completely so I will get good heat with that small amount of charcoal. Okay, so Steve brought me the cooking spray, so I'm just going to spray the grill.
Ooh, don't burn the
GoPro?
Although that is great video, I'm sure.
And yeah, it may have been wise to move the GoPro back before I sprayed it. That was a big fire shot. My last GoPro, I had issues with it overheating. This is my new GoPro. This is the GoPro 9. I'm not sure how well it is with overheating, but if it's not overheating after that, then it's doing pretty good. It didn't even melt, which is amazing because that flame went right up to the lens. I am not prepared. I need my table set up out here with all my supplies along with my apron. I'm going to have to design a grilling area out here. The weather called for no rain this evening. Look at the sky now that I'm grilling. Hopefully it will stay on the other side of the river. So the grill is heating up pretty good with that little bit of charcoal, but it isn't hot enough to sear and leave those grill marks, which I really wanted those. So I will make sure to add more next time. It does smell really good out here though. I love the smell of food grilling. So this grill weighs 29 1/4 pounds. That is the entire grill. When I use the handles, the grill part does not seem that heavy. It is easier to lift than I thought it would be, so I'm happy about that. And once I put the grill over the charcoals, all I have to do is turn it to adjust the draft. I don't really need to pick it up, and it turns easily. But next time I will try to stuff more of this charcoal into the chimney. I've got a big bag of this hardwood, so it will last a while, so I might as well get used to using it on this grill. You know, I also like that this is portable and you can take it with you since it doesn't take up much space. Alright, now that I've got all the food off, I'm going to turn this to cover the holes so the charcoal will cool down, and I'll come back out in a bit to clean it up.
I guess I'm going to start off with a bite of hot dog. That's like at the ballpark.
Really?
It's got that smoky taste to it. Hamburgers, excellent.
Good, because that's what I'm about to eat.
Well, there you go.
So, you like my new grill?
Mm-hmm.
I think the chicken's going to be excellent on it, too.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Drill worthy?
Absolutely.
You always forget to say it's drill worthy.
It's drill worthy.
Well, there you have it, my review of the Kickoff Grill. I have a feeling I will be getting plenty of use out of this, especially as the weather gets cooler and it's more comfortable cooking outside without the heat and all the bugs. Fall time is always my favorite time for cookouts, although I know most people do it in the summer. We are usually in the 70s and 80s in the fall, and then we have a very mild winter. I'm going to be participating in the Last Chance Cook-Off collaboration next month, and this is a huge collab with 100 channels participating, so don't forget to check it out. It starts on September 1st. A new video will post each day in September, so do hashtag Last Chance Cook-Off to view the playlist of videos. My video will be on September 18th. I believe I will use this grill to cook up my special recipe for that day. Don't forget to check back on Monday as we will have a new episode of the Lake Hill City Birds. Wednesday is always a jewel-worthy human or doggy treat, and then occasionally I will post a new DIY video. Well, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the review. Have a blessed day.